EVBASE real carbon fiber spoiler. So this is how it looks like. Carbon fiber looks pretty nice. Look at that. The other side. Let's check out what's in there. There's a sticker for up and down, blue masking tape, double-sided tape, and over here there's already double-sided tape glued here. Wow. Or this way. Nope, couldn't be this way. It's only one way. Yeah, so it's got to be this way. And look at that. Perfect fit, right? If you look from here, but you've got to clean this thoroughly, making sure the dust are not there, the debris are not there, so that you can stick it on nicely. So let's take this out. There's a wet tissue here, just to make sure this part is all clean. And a tissue to wipe it dry. Estimation should be pretty simple. Let's try. Just need to put it here. So I still have about 1 cm, and over here it's less than 1 cm. So I just need to push it there a little. Okay, so it's just nice. One tape. All you need to do is use a ruler or just an object to do an estimate. Yeah. Okay, there's a up and down. This is up, this is down here. So I will get the accurate place. All right, just like that. All I need to do is just put out the piece of 3M stickers to make sure that this point is correct. Then just push it. Keep holding it for about 10 seconds. Apply pressure to it. Okay, so I'm going to keep applying some pressure to it for about 10 seconds. I don't need this anymore, so I can just tear this out. And this blue masking tape is given to us for a reason, okay? Make sure that you don't wash your car for the next 24 hours, okay? Because when the water gets in, seeps in, then it will not be strong enough. So just let it be, yeah? And hopefully there's no rain. I'm gonna stick this here. Reason is simple, I just want it to be in place. This blue masking tape here is able to support it, yeah? It is not entirely using the tape inside to support it. So they give us this double-side tape as well, but the thing is we don't need this, yeah? Unless you want to take this out and reuse it in another Tesla, then yes, you can make use of this. I'll just make sure that these blue tapes are there for another half an hour. Then I'll take it out. Okay, I think I can take this out now. It's been some time. Check this out, guys. This is how it looks like, and it definitely have better aerodynamic now. So this red lining here definitely looks good, yeah, because it matches the red light here. Again guys, this is not permanent. Yeah, you can take it out later if you do not like it, but I think this is going to be on my car for some time because it does looks pretty good. So guys, thanks for watching, and I do hope you like this video. And this is definitely a nice looking spoiler. It's a real carbon fiber spoiler from EVBASE. Please click the link in the description. I will share my discount code. All right, thanks for watching and goodbye.